What's up, everybody? It's the 4th of July weekend. Tomorrow's 4th of July. Today we're going to marinate some baby back ribs, grill them up tomorrow. We're going to have a funky good time. Very nice looking ribs. They're going to be delicious. Guarantee it. Okay, this is the marinade that I made. It's already prepared. It's a little compost brine that I made up. I'll give you the recipe for it when we come back. What we're going to do is arrange these, lay them down on the back, put a marinade on them. Scatter everything around here. Wrap them up. Let these bad boys sit overnight. I'm telling you, wish you could be here to get some. Alright, wrap them up. Nice tight. Say goodnight. Okay, we're back. They've been sitting in the refrigerator overnight. Getting ready to put them on the grill. Be right back with you. Alright. Got a little salt, pepper, a little house seasoning. Dust it up real good. Rub that in. Both sides. And the membrane has been pulled off back of here, so the seasoning can get inside there. Alright, get this other rib sliced up, seasoned up, we'll be ready to go. Alright, there the ribs are on the grill. We're going to let these go 2-3 hours. Come back and check them out. Update on those ribs. They're looking good. Add a little more charcoal to the fire. Get a little smoke going. Also, being it's a small grill, we're going to rotate these bad boys so everybody get a chance to get close to the fire a little bit. And we'll get back to you. Those ribs, they're coming along nicely. Getting a little smoky look about them. Couple more hours. 4th of July ribs. Looking beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Lovely. We're doing it up. Look at them ribs. Those are beautiful. They are most definitely ready for sauce. Look at that. Look at that. Nice caramelization upon those ribs. Them ends are looking really, really nice. Oh, they are definitely done. Time to paint them up with some barbecue sauce. Yeah. Be back with you here in a second. Whatever you like best when it comes to barbecue sauce. You know, I like Sweet Baby Ray's. From time to time, I'll get some all the way saved, you know, something really, really cheap, and add some of my few ingredients in it. or just take some ketchup and some apple cider vinegar, some onions, some bell peppers, a little bit of wild Irish rose. Trust me, you'll be surprised at the flavors you can come up with. All right, time to sauce up the meat. Got a little Sweet Baby Ray's. Gonna mop it on. Every once in a while, you could, as you're cooking your ribs, you can slather your sauce on there so it can cook into your meat. Adds another level of flavor. Or you can use, any kind of old mop sauce that you can come up with, where it be a vinegar base or whatnot. What we're gonna do, we're gonna hit both sides. Oh yeah, they tender. Them some good ribs there. This barbecue sauce is just gonna bump that up a little bit. That brine we put it in, and that brine was 2 cups of sugar, 2 cups of apple cider vinegar. We used 3 oranges, 2 lemons, 3 limes. I juiced them, boiled the rinds of the fruit inside of the apple cider vinegar. Put the 2 cups of sugar in there, 1/4 cup of salt. It was it's awesome flavor. You should try it. All right, we pulled those ribs off the grill. They're looking real good. Can't wait to taste them. They're falling off the bone good. Oh yeah. Juicy, tender. That marinade really got in there. That sauce on top. Definitely. Finger looking good.